What were the warning signs before someone you know killed themselves? My older sister had failed attempts, was obviously depressed, and then suddenly she was okay. For months, happy-go-lucky and a normal sibling. Then at Christmas, she was happy but quiet, sat back and observed a lot, told me she was taking it all in, and wanted lots of family photos. She ended her life 2.5 weeks later. After her, my mom took her life. My mom asked for a hug when I was 14. At that age, I was like, nobody touches me. She insisted on the hug, and I hugged her. It was the last time I saw her. I'm kind of good with it now, but for 2 decades, I was like, I should have guessed something was wrong. Another one. I remember one of my classmates who had been struggling with severe depression suddenly became very jolly and smiled at all of us. We were so happy and thought she had finally found a way to be happy again. It was a sudden and noticeable change, but sadly, she didn't come to school the next day, and we later found out she had ended her life.